Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 crochet garment patterns that are perfect for spring and autumn, so those transition seasons where it's not super hot but it's also not super cold. Now every pattern mentioned in this video is a pattern of my own and I will link all the links in the description down below so you can go and find them. These patterns are also all beginner friendly. So if you are just starting out in crochet or you're just starting out making garments, these 3 patterns are going to be perfect for you. So first up we have my Life of the Cardi cardigan pattern. Now for this one that I'm wearing right now, I used a 10-ply or an Aran weight 100% acrylic yarn and a 6mm hook. But what's great about this cardigan is it is super versatile based on the fiber that you use. So for winter, autumn, the cooler months, use an acrylic or a wool or your warm fiber of choice. But for summer and spring, when it is warming up, make it in cotton and it makes an awesome cover up for the beach. Just throw it on over your swimsuit, over your bikinis, and you are good to go. Now this cardigan is about knee length on me, but you can customize this to the length that you want. You don't have to make it as long as mine if you don't want to. It is very easily customized. Now I know the stitch pattern does look a little bit intimidating, but I promise you it is so easy. The only stitches you need to know for this pattern are the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and the front post, back post, double crochet stitch. Next up we have my Lonsdale jumper pattern, and this is the easiest jumper you will ever make. Like, I can't stress that enough. It is so easy. And this jumper actually also comes in a video tutorial which is available on my channel, so please feel free to go and check that out if you do enjoy a video tutorial over a written pattern. The one that I'm wearing right now was made using an 8-ply/DK weight acrylic yarn. But if you go and check out the video tutorial, I show you how you can customize this jumper to suit any yarn weight and any hook size. So when I say this is the easiest jumper to make, I'm not lying. As you can see, this jumper is a beautiful ribbed stitch. This uses the half double crochet stitch in the back loop, and that is it. That is literally the only stitch I used for this entire pattern, other than of course the chain stitch and the slip stitch, which pretty much every crochet pattern ever made would include. But it is a beautiful oversized design. Again, you don't have to make it oversized if you don't want to. This is completely customizable to suit your body size. The written pattern does come in sizes extra small all the way up until a 5XL. As do all my patterns. Sorry, I didn't mention that when I was talking about the Life of the Cardi pattern, but all my patterns come in sizes extra small right up to a 5XL. Size inclusive, we love it. Now because this jumper was made using an 8-ply or a DK weight yarn, it is nice and lightweight, and it also has beautiful drape because it's not super chunky and heavy, which again is great for those transition seasons, autumn and spring. Last but not least, we have my Charlie Cardi cardigan pattern. This pattern was actually published in Homespun magazine, and because it was technically owned by the magazine, I wasn't able to sell it or publish it anywhere else for a minimum of 12 months. So now that that 12 months is up, I'm really excited to be able to offer it in digital form to you guys, because so many of you had been messaging me saying, I really love that cardigan, where can I get it? And I had to always say, I can't give it to you, it's only in the magazine. So now you guys can go and get this in digital form on my website, Etsy, and Ravelry. So I'm really excited that I can now offer it to all of you. This was made using an 8-ply/DK weight yarn with a 5mm and a 4mm crochet hook. Now because this was made from a DK weight or an 8-ply yarn, it is beautifully lightweight and has amazing drape, which we love. This design is a cropped cardigan. Again, you could make it longer if you wanted to, and it is also slightly oversized. If you can't tell already, I do love an oversized cardigan and jumper. This cardigan was made using predominantly the half double crochet stitch, along with the single crochet in the back loop, which gives us that beautiful ribbing around the edges. Because this is a cropped cardigan, I love wearing it with high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts. It is a beautiful, timeless design. Like, I feel like this design, this style will never really go out of fashion, which is obviously great. We love a slow fashion vibe. Anyway, guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. Of course, if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know to make more of this content. If you haven't already, I would love if you would come and join me in the Talk Yarning to Me Facebook group. I will leave a link in the description. Come and hang out with us. Let's talk all things yarny. I would love to see you there. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. But until next time, stay safe, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!